Abushia, the new patriotic party and then a minority in parliament. And MP back the money concerning Ghana. Say Ghana has been used as the home of drugs.
On the matter of air med flights and Kavok Air private jets transporting suspected cocaine and cash.
Muchuma aircraft be at me Ghana Habelandia, allude to drugs at their coast Spain, Iceland, nobody are certain African countries and even abroad. Say Muchuma Ghana, say their question. Since His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, ebedi adieno, and as obey a president for this country, a lot of things has been happening in the country. More addressing and by the NP, our friend, honorable in team John Fredwell.
Ladies and gentlemen, on another security matter related to our airspace.
Ensema or not able to join them. I'm for more and some new do call Nehu the Ensemwa and NP before Eka. Na press conference here abusia anu wedding ensem bebre su boma e wase be somewhere camera studio so ene de dika ha mi adoma no so ne fire to all abusia say there be any update bia no won sabiti maka no wa share some odofo ene abusiafo no biara o feel say also mu hu ne yekoso o man mu no so nsaka na afei ma mfo mbon ransem na abusia. The news is very simple. NPP for omo na the minority in parliament ene omo hold the press conference omo de nsem bebre na to dwa say abusia plane be at Mabel Ghana on the March 2025 Mamuchimwa March 12 for baby March 15 for baby and this aircraft ebe landi wo yo mayimu na umususu a plane yi be landi e moyemu na busia the drugs atwitwi die unim red tramadol ne enum nyoma e na ba yo mayimu
of cargo suspected to be cocaine and cash
ne duro mayemu na engina esi ye tadana. These aircraft now are moving into Spain, Iceland, Biabusia. They are selling drugs. They are exporting these drugs to other countries. And semi Abusia Ghana abuying was all your investigation. Na afi omodi in ceremony details about bonting. Now this message was delivered by honorable in team John Fredwell ono MP the new patriotic party ni Abusia and odin semi ebe tuda wa bra mo hold press conference addressing this issue. Na ma membo ne video ni nti ye ba ma chekere woni nsem waka na video no na afi ya che adwon comment section ase.
On the matter of air med flights and Kavok Air private jets transporting suspected cocaine and cash. Ladies and gentlemen, on another security matter related to our airspace, the Minority Caucus calls on national security to, as a matter of urgency, make public the content of cargo suspected to be cocaine and cash transported into the country by two suspicious flights, namely Air Med flights NH23AM and Kavok Air private jets Antonov and 12B, which landed on the tarmac of Kotoka International Airport in March 2025 from Gran Canaria, an island of Spain, and departed to the same Gran Canaria days after their arrival. Reliable intelligence intercepted by the Minority Caucus indicates that on March 20th, 2025, Air Med flights NH23AM, which is an air ambulance, and I must stress, it's an air ambulance designed specifically to carry patients, landed at Kotoka International Airport in Accra, Ghana, and remained in the country for 5 days before departing 1 a.m. on March 25th, 2025, back to Gran Canaria. Our intelligence further persists that no patient was transported by the said Air Med flights, neither to nor from Accra. There is no evidence of medical referral of or patients accompanying or on board the flights on either legs of the flight. We are reliably informed that contrary to the expectation that the Air Med flight would carry patients, the purpose for which it was designed and operates, it rather on this occasion carried suspicious cargo suspected to be cocaine and cash in various United States dollars denominations. In a related development, a private jet, Kavok Air Antonov and 12B, also landed at Kotoka International Airport on March 12, 2025, from the same island of Spain, Gran Canaria, and remained in the country for 13 days and departed as at 6:40 hours, that is 6:40 a.m. on March 25th, 2025 to Gran Canaria. The very day Ahmed flight also departed to Gran Canaria. While it is intriguing that the two suspicious flights would depart to the same location on the same day, even more intriguing is the cargo suspiciously transported by these aircrafts to and from Gran Canaria, an island known for its notoriety in drug trafficking, money laundering, among others. We call on national security to make full disclosure of the content of the cargo carried by these two aircraft into the country, as well as the cargo carried out of the country by the same aircraft to Gran Canaria, consistent with the principle of transparency in our collective quest to fighting drug trafficking and money laundering.
Abusia Honorable John in team for your name some of the two NPP and then a minority. Abusia among someone in the press conference a very simple one. Almost say aircrafty ebelandi we yo mayimu ne buy no same day na na sign call a Spain Iceland na omuchemu this aircraft was carrying drugs. The plane mienu na omuchemu ebelandi o mayimu na empo the etwa nsuno mu say this was landed as a private plane almost say ebefa a patient bi dey free o mayimu san dey akọ na emum enye patient bi dey befa amefa yarefo bia na emum e the drugs and a buy your mayimu na afi ebelandi ya no and a sign passing into other counties. Now say these drugs no they are selling it from abroad. Now fi omo use Ghana as the home for their transportation of their transport to other African countries. If we say plane bi beladi omo yimu almost say Ghana omo ibia genyi din boni bia in the international world no. When a plane is moving from this country, no one is expecting bad things and as a bad opinion bia His Excellency hang amazese Ghana din boni. And to say the omo minority no led by abusia afenyo markets omo de omo chiremu adabi omampani ene ne na aban omo nhwe no nye investigation na omo mfa nchiremu emfambre omo the NPP and the minority in parliament na afi Ghana fo a omo pe nchiremu wa asebu mu no abusia they should do further investigation na omo mfa nchiremu emfambre Ghana fo fi se mususu se ensem na ekoso no asefem na say your mind din name omo abamu ensem bi se yansi adenti na mafiri abamu within 3 months or 2 months na ensem bi se sisi a omo penchire mu afiri His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ene na abamu nti omo chemu a omo owo so omo hwe na omo de ensi nchire mu bre omo the New Patriotic Party da bushia they are waiting for explanation and they are waiting for further information. So what I say and someone and the New Patriotic Party held a press conference led by Honorable John in team for your now audience judges a message we deliver a very simple almost a page to His Excellency in Bible. I won't find the mumra if he said and some never question in answer we and some free minority the New Patriotic Party eba nam do somewhere come studios and any can answer them and subscribe to this platform for you to all na fi share video mu adofo obi biara usu also whatever is trending in the country, they also get to know whatever is trending. Now, if you want like it, maybe come. I go by the name Sticky the Superstar. Karma Studios. You can follow us on Facebook at Salif Abdul, TikTok Karma Studios, Facebook also Karma Studios. Now, BBI come. Thanks for watching us. We bring you more notice on this issue. And finally out.